Good morning, class. In the series that is type of organic reaction, as we are discussing about substitution reaction. So students, we have discussed earlier about the nucleophilic substitution reaction and electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we are going to discuss about free radical substitution reaction. Okay, so students, basically here as you see that free radical, so whenever in any organic reaction the attacking reagent is free radical, then free radical substitution reaction takes place. Okay, and generally it takes place in case of you can say normal alkanes. Okay, so basically students, the substitution reaction that is brought about by free radicals are called free radical substitution reaction. Okay, suppose we are taking any example. Suppose we are doing chlorination of any alkane. Suppose we are doing chlorination of methane, that is CH4, and we are reacting it with Cl2. Okay, then what happens students? CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride, is formed. Okay, so student, such type of reactions are called as free radical substitution reaction. Let us see how the reaction is performed. Here students, you can see this is free radical substitution, as we have taken the example of chlorination of methane. So here is methane and here is Cl2. So students, in case of chlorination of methane, what happens? Suppose there is some conditions, like if there is presence of H nu, that is light, or we are increasing the temperature having 520 to 670 Kelvin, then what happens? Methyl chloride is formed. Okay students, अगर हम बात करें कि ये फॉर्म कैसे होते हैं, इनकी मैकेनिज्म की बात की जाए, तो ये जो रिएक्शन होता है ये 3 स्टेप्स में ऑकर करता है. मतलब अगर हम बात करें फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म की, सो इट टेक्स प्लेस इन 3 स्टेप्स. ये 3 स्टेप्स में होता है. द 3 स्टेप्स आर, वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज initiation, the second step is propagation, and the third step is termination. Okay, so in these 3 steps free radical substitution takes place. Students, you can see here the very first step is initiation. This is step first. What happens in initiation? There is generation of free radical. Okay, you can name it as generation of free radical. Okay, so students, in this step Cl2 molecule, okay, in Cl2 molecule homolytic fission takes place. That is, each chlorine atom take up the electron, the single electron, and resulting in formation of 2 Cl radical. Okay students, after this step there comes the propagation step. So this will be the second step. In propagation step, what happens? This chlorine free radical, okay, abstracts the proton, that is H. Here HCl is formed, and again methyl free radical is formed. In the same steps, what happens students? This methyl free radical again react with the chlorine molecule, resulting in formation of CH3Cl, which is our major product, that is CH3Cl. It is formed, and one more chlorine free radical is formed. Now students, in the third step, that is termination step, what happens? These chlorine free radicals combine together, resulting in formation of chlorine, and the CH3 radical combine together to form ethane. Okay, so termination step is only, it shows the intermediates, that where the intermediates gone, so they combine together, but the major is the propagation step where the product is formed, and the product is CH3Cl. Okay, so this is about today's lecture. Thank you class.